Hey everyone, check out the Board2by Cork Board, a 36 by 48-inch bulletin board with a stylish white wood frame perfect for any office, school, or home. This lightweight cork board features a thick 8mm natural cork surface that is dense and self-healing, meaning it repairs itself and looks great without any unsightly pinholes. Installation is simple with 2 mounting options, vertical or horizontal, using the included screws and anchors to keep it firmly on your wall. The board comes with 16 push pins, so you can easily display notes, memos, photos, calendars, or important reminders. Its sturdy frame protects the cork while adding a clean visual appeal that complements any space. Whether you need it for meetings, teaching, or organizing your daily tasks, this cork board is designed for long-lasting use without warping or distortion. Plus, it's shipped securely to ensure it arrives in perfect condition, ready to enhance your workspace or classroom. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.